Hi, today I am here with an unboxing of the Loro Piana Women's Summer Charm Walk Loafers. Okay, so these shoes are in sandstone, which is a brownish color that you can see here. The uppers are in suede, the inner lining is in calfskin, and the name Summer Charm refers to this little boat charm and lock charm with the Loro Piana embossed into them as well on both shoes. As is typical for Loro Piana, the soles are in rubber and there's little LP motifs on the sole as well. And given the brand's boating history, on the back there's space to write your name on there like they used to do in the old times, and Loro Piana on the heel as well. So these shoes, being suede, are very lightweight, soft, and also stretchable as well. My wife got these in size 37.5, and she's typically 37.5 or 38. The 37.5 was a little bit tight at first when she put them on, but after a couple of minutes, the suede expanded and felt comfortable. The 38 just felt a little bit too long and too loose, so 37.5 was definitely the right choice for her. These shoes are very popular in the summer because they're light and with the rubber soles, pretty good for walking. In the off season, much like it is right now in the fall, they are much easier to find. You can find them online or in your local boutique, more than likely. There are 13 different colors, ranging, I'm not going to name them all, but there's whites, there's tans, there's pinks, there's reds, there's grays, there's blues. So you can look online and find a color that you hopefully like. In the US, as of November 2023, the Summer Charm Walk women's shoes retail for $1,025. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.